Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to invert colors now. Open your file and make a duplicate layer so you can always revert. Once done, rasterize any vector or text layer you plan to invert. Inversion works best on pixels. Make sure the duplicated layer is selected in the layer palette. If you're working with a group, expand it and merge copies into a single raster layer. These quick steps prevent permanent edits and let you toggle visibility to compare before committing. Now perform the inversion. With the duplicated raster layer active, choose Edit Tonal Correction Invert to flip all RGB values instantly. Once inverted, you can refine the effect by changing the layer blend mode and opacity to integrate the look with underlying layers. If you need partial inversion, add a layer mask and paint with black to hide inverted areas or white to reveal them. Make small adjustments to contrast or finish by deciding whether to keep layers for future edits or flatten and export a final version. Save a PSD or clip copy before flattening. If colors appear unnatural after inversion, apply hue/saturation or levels adjustments to rebalance midtones and contrast. This corrects color shifts caused by inversion. If the inversion didn't apply, check that the layer isn't a vector or locked, and ensure you targeted the right layer. A quick duplicate and reattempt usually resolves that problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.